See, let me tell you something. As I am like this, I don't joke with platform. I don't joke with this platform, but I'm ready to wake you up. I swear with my life.
Okay, sir.
Me, no, it's not, me, I'm serious, and I would do it. And if the person said called you, he declined the call, you don't need to talk to him.
Okay, sir.
I will report you.
Please don't. I'm serious, sir.
Okay. What is your name?
My name is Wumi Toriola.
Wumi Toriola. What do you do?
I'm a filmmaker, actress.
Do you have kids?
Yes, I have one. Mama Basheje. Now. I have one. Sorry, sir. No, o kan sọ̀rọ̀ ni ọmọ tó ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ń sọ̀rọ̀ ni, so 2 yẹn ló wà sí lẹ́nu, sir.
Your state of origin?
Ogun State, Abeokuta.
Okay. How old are you? How old are you?
30 plus.
30 plus. 31, 32, 39, 33, 34. Which one?
I'm a public figure ni 30 plus but mo ti wà ní mid 30, sir.
This is my platform. I don't know this public figure. I want to give you a husband. So don't you tell me that you're a public figure. You have to tell me the right so that we know the person I want to call, we know what he's calling for.
35, sir. Precise. 35.
35. Okay. Place your phone and move back.
Oh, the other mama. Mama Bible me wa.
No, place. I now ask you to bring your Bible.
Okay, sir.
Because based on your age, place your phone and move back. Bring your foot down very well.
Okay, sir. Can you see me like this?
What think baby bio?
Sir?
Hello?
Hello? Yes, sir.
Can you bring your foot down? Bring your foot down very well.
Okay,
no,
sir.
I'm not comfortable. Still bring it down. Still bring it down.
Like this, sir.
No, not like that. Place it somewhere. You now bring it very well. So I would like to be able to see your hair from toe.
Head to toe, okay.
Yeah. No, I'm not still comfortable. Don't stress yourself. Just bring it down. Put it down, Elisu.
Like this?
Yeah.
Move now. Okay. Leave here. Like this, sir.
Yes. Why? What are you covering? What are you covering?
Me, my papa make mini, so mo wash shorts ni.
Hey, it's fine. It's your shape. Don't cover anything. Just move back.
Yes, sir.
Move back. I will block you. Don't cover anything.
Move back. It be bad. Loku. Cause if my friend move back.
Hey, don't cover. Don't cover what you're covering. You have to turn around 360.
360. Okay, sir. What about Muzanyon? Yes, sir.
Yeah, turn around. Don't fast. You're fasting. Don't fast.
Okay, sir.
Just one more. Gently. Kilo Shama to Dubai. Me was celebrity, you.
Emma Binu, sir.
Oh, yeah, come. Where are you calling from?
Presently, I'm in USA.
Okay. Which state are you calling from, USA?
DC, Maryland.
Maryland.
You enjoy yourself. Sorry.
Okay. Where do you want your man from?
Sir?
Where do you want your man from?
My man. Anywhere in the world aside Dubai and Cyprus.
Okay, all right. A responsible man. A responsible man that's ready for serious relationship. A responsible man. And this is Wumi Toriola, calling from United States of America, Maryland. He's 35 years old. Single mother of one.
Yes, sir.
Never been married.
Sir?
Never been married.
Right, mo ti marry rí o, wọ́n máa wo Google o.
No, okay, I can't be saying that you are divorcee and no. Never be married, man. So I'll put it that way, never be married. So
okay, sir. Okay.
Along the line, you and your man can be going and be such those things. See, understand?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
A responsible man. If you like Wumi Toriola, please call me. I like Wumi Toriola.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Can you please remove your wig? Can you please remove your wig?
Ẹ má ṣe ẹ wo abolórí burúkú nìyí ni kí remove wig mi ẹ kúkú bá mi sí o ẹ já wèrè ni kí remove ẹ̀yàwó mélòó lẹ́yìn rí tó fine láì lo wig ẹ dẹ̀ ń sọ gbogbo ẹ̀ látàárọ̀ mo dẹ̀ ń dákẹ́ báwo lẹ tún ṣe máa ní kí n yọ wig kí ni yọ wig kí n jọ wèrè ṣé ẹ̀yin náà lè rèyàn natural beauty ṣó láàrin èmi àti yín kẹ́yìn yọ fìlà orí yín ṣóṣù ọ̀pẹ máa ríyàn ẹ máa ti parí náà ọmọ aláwọn nǹkan téèyàn máa fi ń bòyàn láṣìírí náà.
lóní ṣe mo ya wèrè.
Ẹ má bínú ẹ má ní sùúrù mi ní ẹ̀bẹ̀ ẹ má ní sùúrù lẹ́gẹ̀ ẹ má ní sùúrù ẹ má ní sùúrù báyìí ẹ má ní yọ wig ó jọ̀ka náà.
Another responsible lady.